hopefully I caught the sign. We were busy visiting, and all of a sudden I look up and the sign was heading our direction. So hopefully I caught it, but we are officially in Utah, Ramblers, and we are on our way to Salt Lake City.
Before we get to Salt Lake City, we're going to make a little pit stop. We're going to visit the RV Lock headquarters in Wellsville, Utah for an upgrade to our Entegra Vision, and we would love to thank RV Lock for sponsoring this video. We have waited a long time for this, and we cannot wait to show you our visit.
So we finally made it here. We are going to have our RV lock installed today, and we have Katie. Katie, what do you do for RV lock?
For here, I am working on partnerships with influencers, ambassadors, social media, and also coordinating new products that are coming in.
Oh, so if you're other YouTubers, you know who to contact. Here is Katie. So you were going to tell us real quick about the background to RV Lock and how it got started.
RV Lock established in 2010. Started with two lovely people. The husband, Cade, he owned a construction company and had lots of trailers, a lot of tools. One day got broken into and a lot of his livelihood was taken. And that put a huge setback, and he kind of realized, like, wow, RVs really and trailers are just not very secured. There's a lot of master keys, they're easy to break into, and so he looked for a new solution, didn't really find anything, so he decided to make his own. Ever since then, he started to build it out more and more and grow the company. And him and his wife, Shelly, still run the company today.
You said that it's a great company to work for. You guys have been really happy here. And I love it when it's a family-owned small business that is flourishing, especially in the RV industry. We're gonna feel a lot safer about this. We've heard stories already about people who've said there's been a fire at the campsite and they told somebody the code on how to the code on how to get into the RV and get the puppies out. So there's a lot of advantages. I know you have ones for trailers, fifth wheels, and now finally, we've been waiting a couple years for this. We have a Class A motorhome that has like a 1.5-inch door, and in the past, they couldn't help us because they didn't create anything yet. And this must have just been created in the last year?
A little bit less than that. So having this new generation that fits more motorhomes. So.
Good. Oh, we're so excited. And there wasn't something for the Class A. Now there is. It's called the Atlas. Is that right?
Atlas.
The Atlas. So we have the Atlas. It's going to be installed. Typically, they can send you this. They can ship it to you. And it can take an average of 20-30 minutes to install it.
Yes, even less.
But we have somebody who's done this before, so we're going to probably have it installed in like 10 minutes. Right?
Let's hope.
the pressure. There's going to be pressure now. We're going to have to go with a timer. Anything else you want to let us know about the product?
Coming up, especially in 2026, we do hope to have a lot more fun products that are just meant to make your RV life more fun and easier.
We'll have the website, everything below, so you can go check it out. And we're going to have a code for everybody to get a discount. So we're going to show you the video. We're going to have the code below. We're going to go over that some more in a little bit. Thank you very much, Katie, for having us out here.
Of course.
We're really excited to be doing this. So here we go. We're going to see how long it takes to install.
Let's see it.
Within no time, Katie and Logan had the old lock out and the new Atlas RV lock in.
I know the pressure's on. I know I'm going to screw it up. I'm going to fold.
Use this tool.
Okay.
You'll just push on the button there.
Oh, the reset. Okay.
Do the
learn. Okay. See, I'm learning.
Just do a quick click and release.
Okay.
And now you just hold down the lock button. And now it's connected.
Now it is connected.
Yeah, now if you push lock, it should lock. We can watch it from here.
So what are the two?
So that's for if you have multiple locks on your trailer.
Oh,
so this
okay.
can connect to like a back door if you had another RV lock on your back.
And there's a lot of trailers that have that.
Yeah.
Easy enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions? Oh, do you want to program our number?
Oh, yeah, let's go ahead and do the super secret.
Yeah.
I'd recommend doing it just with the door open, just in case.
Okay.
So you don't lock yourself out. But
Okay.
here I can hold all of this for you.
All right, thank you very much.
Set it down.
So I'm overwhelmed. Too many moving parts. So learn again.
Do the reset and then hold it down until you get a prompt.
Enter new code, then press lock.
So now you enter the
code.
code.
New code accepted.
Boom. Now it's set to your new code. So you should be able to lock and unlock it.
Now, if I put in a wrong code too many times, is it going to lock me out, or does it matter?
No, it won't do that.
Okay, good.
Right after the install, we were invited right over to the office and we met Cade and Shelley Harris, owners of RV Lock. We really did have a great visit here at their headquarters. We had a little tour behind the scenes and a glimpse at some of their available products.
And I want to add that I found it very easy. I probably could have installed it. I mean, sorry, Logan, you did a great job.
No, Logan did a fine job.
You did a great job.
Yeah.
But, I was looking, I was like, this is really easy. Like, you open up the box, you just take off the other one, you put on the other one. He really did probably only take 10 or 15 minutes. They send out instructions with you. Plus, they have videos that you can go look at. They now have the Atlas for our Class A. So now, if you have a Class A, and you wanted to get one a year ago and they didn't have it, they do now. Same thing with the fifth wheels. They have a lock for the fifth wheels now. And of course your trailers and all your other RVs. So get a hold of RV Lock, use our code and get a discount and go on there and get set up with the RV Lock.
Last night when we went to the hot springs, I had to carry a pocket full of keys. And now I don't have to do that. I don't have to carry any keys at all because I'm just going to use the key lock right there. You have the buttons, you use the buttons. That's all you're going to need. I can't wait. I can't wait to use the door. I can't wait to go in and out. It's going to be awesome.
It's not going to get old for a while. We'll probably show you that for a little while. But thank you again, Katie, for setting us up. We got to meet the owners today. That was nice. Really nice. I love supporting small businesses, which now they're a big business. And, here in the USA, they're right here based out of Utah. So it was really nice.
It's a great American ingenuity. Necessity is the mother of invention. And so look what we have. We have that invention right there.
All right, so make sure you go check out RV Lock. And like I said, use the code Just Rambling Around and get yourself a safe and secure lock for your RV. Thanks again for Just Rambling Around.
Not to get ahead of ourselves here, but we're going to get ahead of ourselves for a moment. It was a great move having the Atlas RV Lock installed at the beginning of our road trip. It was so convenient to have the keypad access to our motorhome and have peace of mind knowing that there was another layer of security added to our safety. This 30-day road trip was a success, and we'd like to thank RV Lock for that, and we'd like to thank you for watching this video. Our next stop is Salt Lake City. We're staying at the KOA in the downtown area. So click like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon to be notified of all the fun. We're going to show you the top attractions that you cannot miss while visiting Salt Lake City, Utah, as well as some of the best places to get a bite to eat and to have a beer. Thanks for watching, Ramblers.